First tonight at 6, death row inmates in South Carolina will soon face a deadly decision whether they want to receive their final punishment by firing squad, the electric chair, or lethal injection. Today's major ruling from the state's highest court clears the way for officials to restart executions after more than a decade.
And Queen City News anchor Robin Kennedy joining us here in the studio. Robin, after getting reaction from opponents of the death penalty and a woman whose mom's killer is now on death row in South Carolina, what did you learn?
Yeah, Alicia and Brian, there were even mixed opinions among the justices themselves. Even with the ruling today, a murder victim's daughter doesn't know if she's any closer to justice.
It's literally a nightmare that never goes away.
30 years have passed since Samantha Leitner's mom, Uri Jackson, was killed.
I literally found my mother the day before my 25th birthday, and I just had my 55th birthday. So I've literally spent all of my adult life fighting for her to have a voice in the system and for justice to be held in her case.
In 1997, Gary Terry was convicted and sentenced to death for killing Jackson. Almost 30 years later, Terry remains on death row.
It's been draining, difficult, obviously, emotionally, fracturing.
On Wednesday, South Carolina Supreme Court justices issued this ruling, saying that the firing squad, lethal injection, and the electric chair are all legal in South Carolina.
The fact that he gets three choices kind of irritates me, but at the same time, I mean, I get it. Nobody wants to do state-sponsored death, but some crimes deserve the punishment.
While all 5 justices agreed to part of the ruling, 2 felt the firing squad was not a legal way to kill an inmate, and one of them believes the electric chair is cruel and unusual punishment. Lawyers for death row inmates tell us, quote, Justice 360 and other attorneys representing the men on death row in South Carolina are disappointed in the outcome of the Owens case. We are currently evaluating the next steps in the litigation and remain committed to advocating for the protection of our clients' rights. Leitner doesn't know if she's any closer to justice, but she's hopeful.
I understand that the legal process is an extremely slow process. However, I never thought in a million years that it would be 30 years later.
Now, South Carolina has not put an inmate to death since 2011. As many as 8 inmates on death row may have run out of their appeals. It's unclear when executions could restart or whether lawyers for death row inmates can appeal today's ruling.